Welcome to Mr. English Official!
Practice real English with Adam and Lena.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. It's really nice to be here today. I hope you're doing well. I'm Adam.
Hi, everyone. I'm Lena. Thank you for joining us today. It feels good to sit and talk.
Yes, it really does. I like these calm moments. Just talking, no rush. How are you today, Lena?
I'm okay. A little tired, to be honest, but in a good way. How about you?
I feel the same. Not too busy today. Just normal. A simple day.
Simple days are nice. Life feels easier then. No stress, just normal things.
Exactly. And that's what we want to talk about today. Real life. Work, home, and daily routine.
Yes, things we all do every day. Nothing special, but very important.
Before we start, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for listening. And if you like these talks, you can like and subscribe.
Yes, thank you so much. It really helps us. And it helps other people find us too.
Okay. So, Lena, let's start with work. How was work today?
Work was calm today, not too busy. I worked from the office this morning, then I came home early.
That sounds nice. What did you do at work today?
Well, I checked emails first, I answered some messages, then I had a short meeting. Nothing long.
Meetings can be tiring. Was it a good meeting?
Yes, it was okay. Everyone was polite. We talked about small tasks, no big problems.
That's good. I like meetings like that. Short and clear.
Me too. Long meetings make me sleepy.
Same here. So after the meeting, what did you do?
I worked on my computer, I finished a report, then I took a short break.
Breaks are important. What do you do on your break?
I made some tea, I looked out the window, I just relaxed for a few minutes.
That sounds peaceful. I like looking outside too. It helps my mind rest.
Yes, work is easier when you rest a little.
That's true. My workday was a bit different today.
Oh, tell me about it.
I worked from home today. I stayed at my desk all morning. I started early.
Do you like working from home?
Most days, yes. It's quiet. No traffic, no noise.
That's a big advantage. What time do you start work?
I usually start at 9. Today, I started at 8:30. I felt fresh.
Early mornings can feel good, if you sleep well.
Exactly. I had coffee first, then I checked my schedule.
Do you plan your day?
Yes, I do. It helps me stay calm. I write small tasks, nothing too big.
I like that idea. Small tasks feel easier.
They do. So I worked, answered calls, and wrote some notes.
Did you take a break too?
Yes, I made lunch at home. Very simple food.
What did you eat?
Just rice and vegetables, nothing fancy.
Simple food is healthy and it saves time.
True. After lunch, I felt a little sleepy.
That happens to me too, especially after eating.
So I stood up. I walked around the house, then I felt better.
Moving helps a lot. Sitting all day is hard.
Yes, it is. That's why routine matters.
Routine gives structure. It keeps life balanced.
Exactly. Speaking of routine, let's talk about home life.
Yes, home is important. It's where we rest.
What is your home routine like?
After work, I clean a little. I don't do everything at once.
That's smart. Small steps.
Yes, then I cook dinner, something easy.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Sometimes, when I'm tired, not really, but I like eating at home.
Home food feels better, more comfortable.
I agree. After dinner, I sit on the sofa.
Do you watch TV?
A little, or I read. Sometimes I just sit quietly.
Quiet time is important. We don't need noise all the time.
Yes, silence feels nice after a long day.
My home routine is similar. I clean a bit, I prepare food, then I relax.
Do you live alone?
Yes, I do. So things stay simple.
That can be peaceful, no rush.
Exactly. I choose calm evenings.
What do you do before bed?
I check messages, I plan the next day, then I sleep.
Planning helps the morning.
It does. When I wake up, I feel ready.
Routine makes life easier, less thinking.
Yes, and life is already busy. Simple routines help.
I think many people feel the same. Work, home, routine. It's real life.
That's why we're talking about it. These things connect us.
Everyone works, everyone goes home, everyone rests.
Exactly. No perfect days, just real days.
And that's okay. Life doesn't need to be exciting every day.
I agree. Calm days are good days.
Yes, I feel comfortable talking about this.
Me too. And there's more to talk about, like mornings, weekends, habits.
Yes, and how routine changes on different days.
We'll talk more about that next. There's so much in daily life.
I'm looking forward to it.
Me too.
So, Lena, we talked about work and home. Now I'm thinking about mornings. Mornings set the mood for the day.
Oh, yes. Mornings are very important. If my morning is calm, my day feels better.
I feel the same. How do you usually start your morning?
Well, I wake up around 7. Not too early, not too late.
That sounds comfortable. Do you use an alarm?
Yes, I do. But I don't like it. The sound is too loud.
I understand. Alarms can feel aggressive. I prefer soft sounds.
Me too. After I wake up, I stay in bed for a few minutes.
Just lying there?
Yes, I stretch a little. I think about the day.
That's a nice habit. I jump out of bed faster.
Really? How fast?
Very fast. I don't think. I just stand up.
That's brave. I need time.
Everyone is different. What do you do next?
I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. That wakes me up.
Cold water?
Sometimes cold, sometimes warm. Depends on my mood.
Mood matters in the morning. I go straight to the kitchen.
For coffee?
Of course. Coffee first. Always.
I knew it. You and your coffee.
It's my friend. It helps me feel human.
I drink tea. Green tea. It feels gentle.
Tea is calming. Coffee is energizing.
Yes. Different needs, same goal.
To wake up and function.
Exactly. After tea, I get dressed.
Do you plan your clothes?
Sometimes, if I'm busy, I choose something simple.
Simple clothes save time. I do the same.
Then I eat breakfast. Not big, just something light.
What do you usually eat?
Toast or fruit, sometimes yogurt.
Healthy choices. I eat eggs sometimes, or just a banana.
Bananas are easy, no cooking.
Exactly. Mornings should be easy.
Yes, too much thinking is tiring.
After breakfast, I check messages.
Work messages?
Yes, I don't reply yet. I just read.
That's smart. I reply later too.
I like slow starts. Rushing feels bad.
Rushing ruins the mood, even the whole day.
That's why routine helps. You know what to do.
Routine feels safe,
Yes, but routines change too.
especially on weekends.
Exactly. Weekends feel different.
I love weekends. No alarm.
Same here. I wake up naturally.
What do you do first on weekends?
I stay in bed longer. I check my phone. I relax.
That sounds nice. I do that too.
Then I clean a little. Not everything, just small things.
Cleaning makes space, both in the room and mind.
That's true. Then I go outside.
Where do you go?
Just around the neighborhood. I walk. I breathe.
Walking is very good. It clears the head.
Yes. I don't think much. I just walk.
I like walking too, especially in the morning.
Mornings feel quiet. The town is calm.
Shops are closed, streets are empty.
Exactly. It feels peaceful.
That's my favorite time.
Me too. Later, the town gets busy.
Cars, noise, people.
But mornings belong to calm people.
I like that idea.
After walking, I sometimes meet friends.
For coffee?
Always coffee. That never changes.
Social routine is important too.
Yes, talking helps mental health.
Even simple talks, like, how are you?
Exactly. Small words matter.
What about evenings, weekday evenings?
Weekday evenings are quiet for me. I don't go out much.
Same. I stay home mostly.
Home feels safe after work.
Yes, I change clothes immediately.
Me too. Comfort clothes.
Comfort is important.
After dinner, I avoid screens.
Really? That's impressive.
Not always, but I try.
I use my phone too much.
We all do. It's hard to stop.
Sometimes I read instead. It feels better.
Reading slows the mind.
Yes, I sleep better.
Sleep is important. Without sleep, everything feels harder.
Very true. Bad sleep ruins my mood.
That's why routine matters at night, too.
Same bedtime?
Most days, my body likes consistency.
Consistency is calming.
Life feels smoother.
Work, home, routine. They sound boring, but they build life.
Yes, big moments are rare. Daily moments are many.
Daily moments make who we are.
Exactly. That's real life.
I like talking about this. It feels honest.
Me too. No pressure. No performance.
Just people living.
And that's something everyone understands.
Yes, no matter where you live.
Different countries, same routines.
Same feelings.
And tomorrow will look similar. And that's okay.
Yes, life as it is.
There's still more to say about balance, about stress, about simple joys.
Yes, and how we handle hard days.
We should talk about that next.
I agree. That's important too.
So, Lena, let's talk about hard days. Not every day is calm.
Yes, some days feel heavy. Even simple things feel difficult.
I know that feeling. Sometimes work feels too much.
Me too. I wake up tired, not just in the body, but in the mind.
That kind of tired is harder. Sleep doesn't always fix it.
Exactly. On those days, my routine helps me survive.
Routine becomes an anchor.
Yes, I don't need to decide. I just follow steps.
Wake up, wash face, drink tea.
Yes, small steps, no pressure.
Pressure makes bad days worse.
Very true. When I push myself, I feel more stressed.
I learned something important. Bad days need kindness.
Kindness to yourself.
Exactly. Not punishment.
I used to feel guilty if I rested.
Same here. I thought rest meant laziness.
But rest is part of life.
Yes, rest is fuel.
On hard days, I slow down.
What do you slow down?
Everything. Walking, talking, thinking.
That's powerful. Slowing down changes the day.
It does. The world doesn't end.
Work still waits.
Yes, most things can wait.
Except health.
Exactly. Health comes first.
Mental health, too.
Especially mental health.
Sometimes I take breaks at work. Just 5 minutes.
That helps a lot.
I stand up, stretch, look out the window.
Nature helps even through glass.
Sky, clouds, light.
Simple things calm the mind.
That's why small routines matter. They bring stability.
Even when life feels unstable.
Yes, and home plays a big role.
Home is where I reset.
Same here. When I close the door, work stays outside.
I change clothes right away.
Me too. It feels like a signal.
Work mode off.
Home mode on.
Exactly. Then I make something warm.
Tea again?
Always tea.
I make soup sometimes. Very simple soup.
Soup feels comforting.
Yes, like a hug in a bowl.
That's a nice way to say it.
Food affects mood.
Very much. When I skip meals, I feel worse.
Same. Hunger makes me irritable.
And tired.
And unfocused.
So eating regularly helps routine.
Yes, routine supports energy.
What do you do on very bad days?
I lower expectations.
That's important.
I tell myself, today is a slow day.
Not every day needs success.
Some days just need survival.
And that is enough.
Absolutely.
Do you talk to someone on hard days?
Sometimes, a friend, a family member.
Talking helps a lot.
Yes, even short talks.
Just saying, I'm not okay today.
That takes courage.
It does, but it helps connection.
Connection is important. We are not meant to live alone.
Work, home, routine, they connect us to life.
Even boring days matter.
Especially boring days.
They build stability.
And stability builds peace.
Peace is underrated.
Very underrated.
People chase excitement.
But calm is precious.
Yes, calm means safety.
Safety allows growth.
That's a deep thought.
Life is not always big moments.
It's mostly small ones.
Morning light, warm drinks, clean rooms,
Friendly chats.
quiet evenings.
These things create real life.
And routine holds them together.
Routine doesn't mean boring.
It means reliable.
Yes, reliable life feels safe.
And safety helps confidence.
Confidence at work, confidence at home.
Confidence in yourself.
That's what we want for our listeners.
Yes, not perfection.
Just comfort.
Just understanding.
Everyone listening has work.
Everyone has a home.
Everyone has routines.
Different routines, same feelings.
And that's okay.
Very okay.
Before we finish, let's think about a simple question.
Yes, for our listeners.
What does a normal day look like for you?
Work, home, routine.
Do you wake up early?
Or late.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
We'd love to know.
Write a simple comment.
Short sentences are fine.
No pressure. Just share your day.
Your life matters.
Thank you for spending time with us.
We enjoyed this calm talk.
Real life conversations matter.
They help us feel less alone.
And more understood.
Take care of yourself.
At work,
At home.
in your routine.
See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mr. English Official.
And keep learning with us. Bye bye.